Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to integrate or sync Trello with Google Calendar, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to take to get it done. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. So to get your Google Calendar to speak to Trello, we're going to use the app. However, it is possible in the browser. But from the app, you're going to go into the workspace that you'd like to sync, and we're going to go up over here. It looks like a little rocket, the icon. It's called a power-up, and it is essentially an integration. Let's click on Add Power-Ups, and once we get in here, we are going into the search bar on the left-hand side, and here we are going to dial in Google Calendar. Now you'll see there are a few results. What we're going to look for is the Google Calendar plus Trello two-way sync. And let's click on Add. This will allow you to sync your data from Trello over to Google Calendar, as well as Google Calendar to Trello. So let's click on Add at the bottom. And from here, you are going to just scroll down. You'll see quite a bit of information, and you'll see the start a 14-day trial now. Let's go ahead, and from this Unito app, we are going to sign up, and over here we want to sign up with our Trello account. So let's go ahead and click on Trello, and right from here you'll see you'll have to grant some permissions, and let's just say log in at the bottom. From this page you're going to go through the quick start walkthrough. So let us first connect our tools. Let's click on Start here. So on the left, you'll say Sync Work In, and you're going to add a tool over here. So we are looking for Trello on this end, and then we are going to see it says with the account, and you can see the account, and then we can see that there's a type, and then in a board, we can choose a board over here. From here, we're going to go over to the right-hand side, and we are going to sync this with Google Calendar. So let's go and dial in Google Calendar. You'll see that it will come up from a drop-down menu, and let's click on this. You will now have to choose the account. So let's go and use this drop-down menu and click on Connect a Google Calendar account. From here, you'll just scroll down slightly and you'll see Connect Google Calendar. And from here, you're going to click on Add Your Google Account. Here you will just select what the app has permissions to, and we're going to say continue. Right from this page, you're going to go and click on Got It. We are now fully connected. And you'll see now, if we go and refresh this page, we can now use this drop-down menu, select the account, and then you'll see the event type, and you can also choose a calendar. So I'm just going to choose this default calendar, and you'll see that you can click on Confirm. And within the few seconds, you'll see now it says this is going to be connected here. And also you can change the way it is connected. So if you have it two-way, you can see that you can have information exchanged from each one to the other. Or if you just want from Trello to your Google Calendar, or vice versa, from the calendar to Trello, you can select that. And let's click on Confirm. And you can see it says you can now select the cards and events you want to sync. So now you'll go through the details of setting up how you are syncing and what exactly is being synced. So, for example, it says if a card is in this board, and you can now choose what its status is, and then if it's created on a particular date, and then you can add a rule to it. So thereafter, you will then see it says then, and you're going to create the result and or what is going to happen. And as you go down, you can now customize all of the settings to make sure that whatever's happening in Trello is being moved over to Google Calendar, as well as from Google Calendar to Trello. Once you're done and you've set all this up, we're going to click on Confirm. And from here, we're going to say map automatically, unless you really want to map everything individually and manually, which can be time consuming. You can see here, I've got everything already mapped. and it was just done in one click. And we're going to say confirm, and it says welcome to Unito's quick start walkthrough. You've done now all of these fields. Now all you need to do is launch your flow and you are done. You now have Trello and Google Calendar integrated.